First, tip the washing machine over onto its right side. I used 2 rolled up towels to prop mine up slightly so it wasn't laying flat. Now remove the 2 screws. Since these are hex bolts, I was able to unscrew it with a screwdriver that didn't have the bit installed. Now flex the panel slightly to bend it around the plastic posts, which do not get removed. Now we're ready to remove the filter.
Okay.
As you can see, there's some sand in mine. Take a look inside. If you have any coins or keys that got lost in the washing machine, they'll show up here. We're going to use a rag to soak up some of the water. Now we're going to wipe it clean. My filter wasn't too dirty, but we're going to take it over to the sink and give it a rinse anyway. Shaky, shaky, wee.
Okay.
So you'll need to double check this part to make sure there's nothing in that got stuck in here. Luckily we didn't lose anything. Looking good, nothing stuck in here. Now tightly screw in the filter. Make sure that the tab is matched. Looking good. You could probably remove the plastic posts to make this easier, but it's not too hard to bend the panel slightly to make it fit back in. Now it's time to tighten the bolts. Doop-a-doop-a-doo.
Okay, there's definitely a way better way to do that. Okay, hand me those 2 screws and the screwdriver.
Now we're gonna have our 2 screws back, and what? That's not it. Okay, and that's the right screwdriver. Tightly push it in, boop, and put in the screws diagonally. To make sure they don't fall out, you're going to loosely tighten them by hand first before you use the screwdriver to tighten them in. Time to lift it back up.
Ready?
Ding, ding, ding.
Alright, let's go. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
And we're